Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here guys, we'll be working on a BMW, and if you have a BMW 3 or 4 series BMW guys and you're trying to see where your belt is located, serpentine belt, we'll explain a little bit about that. Some of you asked me if you have a timing belt. Stay with us, we'll cover that as well. We'll show you all that today guys. As you know, 3 and 4 series BMW, they share the same platform, same engine, so quite a few things are actually identical on these vehicles. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos guys. We take them completely apart on our channels and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. If you guys need to remove and replace the belt, belt diagram, all that will be on the channel as well, so make sure you check it out and stay with us. I'm going to explain more about that. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement parts, anything like that, new belt, new tensioner for your BMW, we will have the links in the description of the video below guys. Why we make so many videos guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can, so please take advantage of the situation guys, and give a like, subscribe, so we can keep providing these free videos to you. As you know, today we'll show you where the belt is located, where you can expect to find it, and we'll talk more about timing belts, timing chain on that BMW, because many of you ask me, do we have 2 belts? If you guys want to see the whole video, complete guide how to replace the belt, we have it on our main channel. It's called How to Repair guys. This is our main channel. World Mechanics, it's more of an informative channel, and electrical car repair live guys, you can find we'll have pretty much anything electrical related on that BMW posted there guys. Engine codes, transmission codes, airbag codes, engine light, how to fix that, all that will be shared there. Now, when you guys open the hood, okay, this is the 328i, but if you have the 320 it's the same way. If you have 420, 428 guys, and most of the, I think even 316s, 318 and 418 will be that way. If you look guys on the front side of the engine, always never stick your fingers here, because you have the fan one thing, and this is guys your belt. This is your serpentine belt. The serpentine belt guys, okay, it actually moves, okay, the crankshaft of the engine. This is the crankshaft. When the engine spins, it turns the belt turns the AC compressor down there and the alternator to charge your battery. Your belt tensioner is located, okay, right there. Okay, I'm trying to get a little bit of room so I can show you guys. This is your belt tensioner right here. So very short belt. Okay, it has only 2 accessories that this belt moves, and this is guys alternator and AC compressor, so not very complicated deal at all. Many of you ask me, do I have a timing belt, timing chain guys? Okay, you, for the 328, 320, pretty much any BMW I can think of, 3 series, that generation, guys, comes with a timing chain. This is out of a 328, okay, failed timing chain at 87,000 miles. Some vehicles are affected, so we have an informative video about that. Check it out as well guys. 320, 328, 420, 428, all of them come with a timing chain as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.